Neches River. See, I need a camera that mounts way back here and that actually rotates, or just takes pictures 180 degrees, huh? I need a 180 degree camera. That would be a killer camera. That'd be a killer video. You're actually looking out at 180 degrees. Basically, that's what I'm looking out at, is 180 degrees. I mean, right now, all you're getting is just right in front, but I'm looking that way, and out that side, and out the window. Imagine a camera that would do that. Damn B. That's what the sign said. It said damn B. D-A-M and B, the letter B. I think 59 is still closed. I gotta go over to Livingston and down 45. There's sections of 55 or 59 that is closed down through Cleveland. So I gotta make my way all the way over to Huntsville and then down. I gotta punch that into the GPS. I just redirected the GPS, and then it says take 59. Well, no, I think 59 is still closed. If I could ever get an updated map, if I could actually get a map that actually says something other than what it said 3 hours ago. Oh, and Anthony Cantor, if you watch this, I went up 171 in Louisiana, up to D. Ritter, and across 190 from D. Ritter to Texas. I would have stopped if I had time, but I didn't, because this route is actually adding 2 hours to my route to get to Houston, so I get unloaded tomorrow, and hopefully get reloaded and then back home by Saturday sometime. And Brian wanted to see Brian Jones. That's the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse route, but we got miscommunicated. But anyway, so I need to get back on the ball and get my foot in it. Actually, my foot is in it. It's just steep through here. Hey, later. Trinity River. This is the Trinity River. Looks like the Trinity Pond. Excuse me, lake. Trinity Ocean. It's big enough. they might have had a little bit of water here, maybe. Yeah, we're actually on the interstate, or actually US 90, and I don't know what's going on. Somebody just said it's closed at the Flying J, but there's the river. I don't know what river, but it's slightly out of its banks. Ooh, 4x4. Maybe I ought to stop and pick it up. Looks about 8 foot long. We might all be just rubbernecking.
I can't pick up, go straight.
We might all be just rubbernecking and looking at the river too. But I already got rained on cats and dogs once on Sam Houston, and that up there don't look too healthy up there, so it might be raining cats and dogs up there someplace, and nobody can drive because they're all idiots. And really, literally, if you can't drive, I had to flash somebody in the left lane of the toll road to get their asses moved over so I could drive, because they were only doing about 40 miles an hour and I could see perfectly fine. They couldn't, and they're plus in a little car. So just get off the frickin' road. If you can't drive in the rain, get off the road. I gotta go. Lunch. Tostitos Scoopits, or Scoops. Guess they're just scoops. It's too low to stick my hand in. I get cheese all over the place. It's a spoon. Now, I was just doing this and putting it in my mouth, and then putting the chip in my mouth. That's just the excess. I could heat it up and then pour it into another bowl, but hey, that would get a bowl dirty. I didn't think this, so I could just do, I'm sure this would probably freak some people out. It'd be nice to have someone that would actually make enough sauce for the chips in the bag. How about make a jar big enough for my hand? Or that'd be too easy. That'd make too much sense, wouldn't it? And this is it only took great. This is medium. A little warm on the throat. I think they only took half an hour because they're coming up here at the forklift, dropping people off. Yeah, and then wash it all down with a chocolate milkshake. I know that defeats the purpose of the milkshake. That one place that gets food stuck. That's lunch. I have a few more chips to eat. I slept in this morning, didn't take a shower. Of course, I didn't take a shower last night either. Hair's still pink and purple. Excuse me. Maybe I can take the raincoat off. It's not raining hard, as hard as it was when I first got here. All filled pipe again. Back to Kansas. I get to go home first and deliver it Monday after my DOT and physical. So, anyway.